Tired of manually recreating the same expense every month? Learn to make it recurring in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click, from opening Zoho Books to setting the repeat interval and end date. First, open Zoho Books. Then, click on the Expenses module. Click on 27 July 2026. Once the expense is open, click on Make Recurring. A dialog will appear. Go ahead and type a name for this recurring profile. Now, click on the Week dropdown to select how often it repeats. For example, you can click on Month to make it recur monthly. Next, click on Start On and set the start date for the recurring expense. Then, click on the 27th to choose that day. After that, click on Ends On and set an end date. Click on the 31st as the end day. Alternatively, you can click on Never Expires if you don't want an end date. Finally, click Save to create the recurring expense. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.